Can exercises really reduce sensitivity to light? Alright, let's be real. Light sensitivity is like a surprise party that no one asked for. 1 minute you're just walking outside and the next the sun hits you like a spotlight in a bad reality show. You squint, you wince and look around like someone trying to blind you on purpose. We all been there, right? But hold on, what if I told you some eye exercises can help reduce this light sensitivity? There is a surprise waiting for you in the finale. Don't miss it. The squint is not a solution. First of all, let's address the obvious. Shielding your eyes with your hand while you sprint to shade is not a long-term fix. I've tried. That's when I discover eye exercises. Sunning by Bates, the solar power workout for your eyes. Now this exercise, sunning by Bates. You face the sun with your eyes closed. Yes, closed. We are not trying to fry anything here. You let that warm sunlight gently soak in, all while you move your head side to side. Like you are at a slow motion concert. It's like your eyes are tanning, but in a healthy, to help your pupils adjust to light better way. You know, give your eyes a little training so they don't freak out every time you walk outside at noon. Avoiding dark glasses. The conspiracy against sunglasses. Now, here's where it gets weird. We all been taught that sunglasses are our best friends. I mean, they make us cool, mysterious, like we are hiding from the paparazzi, right? Well, turns out those dark eyeglasses are basically letting your eyes get away with being lazy. But here's the thing, relying on those dark lenses can actually make your light sensitivity worse. Your pupils get so used to being shielded that when you take the glasses off, bam, your eyes are suddenly demanding dim lighting and soft focus. If your eyes get too cozy behind those shades, they never learn how to handle light properly. And when you take off sunglasses, what's this bright stuff? And start squinting. The solution: let your eyes breathe a little more. Yeah, it might feel awkward at first, but it's worth it in the long run. The head trick. More than just a fashion statement, the Bates method recommends a simple old-school solution. A cup, yeah, you read that right, a hat, can actually help reduce light sensitivity. Not only does it keep the sun out of your face, but it gives your eyes a chance to chill out under the brim. It's like putting a little roof over your eyeballs so they don't get into panic mode every time it's bright out. Win-win. The eye workout routine. You never knew you needed. So, yes, eye exercises can reduce sensitivity to light. Give your eyes a little workout with sunning, ease off the dark glasses, and throw a cap when the sun's really blazing. Who knew that taking care of your eyes would involve a bit of tanning? A little fashion and one less accessory. So, are you ready to stop squinting and start seeing and enroll in Eyesight Academy course with a great workout plan to improve your eye health naturally?